Hello, welcome to AssemblyTube. Today I'm going to talk to you about the AssemblyTube EasyPlay. This is it, the AssemblyTube EasyPlay. It's a small device. I've got one here that you just plug into the USB port on your computer. Do you ever have problems in assembly with video? You find that you switch on the computer and you can't get to YouTube, the internet's not working, the software on your computer won't play the files. Well, this little gadget, this EasyPlay, has been designed to help you with those problems. Once you plug it in, it'll appear on your computer and you'll see this menu. It says Start EasyPlay. You double click here and this opens up. And you've got a sequence of menus. Each of these buttons has a little explanation on the right there. There's a YouTube downloader. You put in your YouTube address and it will download any YouTube file. There's a video player. If you go to Media, Open File, it will play any of the videos that you've got on the stick, or in fact on your computer anywhere. You've got an assembly manager to help you manage your assemblies during the year. It's a type of calendar, so you can keep a record of what you're doing. There's a template for each particular assembly, so you can record all of the details and save it for each assembly. You've got assembly ideas. These are all links to different areas on the AssemblyTube database. So if I click that one, it goes to AssemblyTube Key Stage 1. You've got links to all these little areas. You've got as well Office software. This is in case you need a word processor, for example, and you don't have Word. This all runs from the little EasyPlay stick. So you've got a word processor, a spreadsheet, presentation, drawing software. You've got a complete Bible, so if you did need to look up something in the Bible, all of that's on the stick. You've got support. When you click that, it goes to the EasyPlay menu, and here you can get support if you've got a problem with your EasyPlay and you're not sure what to do. At the bottom here, you can browse videos which are on your system, on your EasyPlay, or you can browse documents which are on your EasyPlay. So it's a very easy system to use. You've even got an example up here where you can try the menus yourself online. So I'll put a link below to all of these pages so that you can try it out yourself. So why not have a go at the EasyPlay, try the menus, and if you order one today, it could be with you tomorrow and solve all of your assembly video problems. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.